Hi guys, and this is the Ultraviolet's electric scooter that has finally made it to the Indian market. It is called the Tesseract, something that you are probably aware of if you are well aware of the pop culture in this world. And this is something that is going to be a very impressive electric scooter because it is, I think, the world's first scooter with ADAS features on offer. It has traction control, it has dual channel ABS, and it has 20 bhp of power, almost 250 kilometers of range. And this is something that has a very radical design language, and Ultraviolet says that this is inspired by the helicopters. As you can see, the Apache helicopter logo on this bike, and other combat helicopters as well, because scooters are like helicopters because they stop and go and they are extremely maneuverable. So that is where this whole concept comes from. Of course, it's a very radical design. It has to be spoken in detail of what is on offer, with a lot of range, lot of power, lot of features and safety features and traction control. And as this becomes one of the most advanced scooters that you will probably see in the entire world right now. In India, of course, it is one of the most advanced scooters you can get. You have these very sporty tires with 14-inch wheels at the front and at the rear. You've got a 34-liter storage inside. As you can see, it's being displayed as a vehicle almost in production form, not entirely. That is why we don't have full access, and that's why we don't know a lot of information yet. But that is the 7-inch touchscreen there, which will lend you a lot of features that we've seen in the F77 as well. That is a very complicated switchgear for an electric scooter, which I think is quite fantastic. They've got haptic touch here to make sure that you get those vibrations which you get in the car while you're steering from one lane to the other, with the lane departure warning system. I think that's got to do with something with that. And with a lot of power, a lot of top speed and a lot of range, this should be very good. I think we saw Ola getting the 250-300 kilometer range scooter. UV has it here as well. Ultraviolet also here has it here again. And the suspension is really well put here. It's got a very sophisticated swing arm. The 14-inch wheels and tires look quite nice. And that is the rear design. The LED lights look quite nice. It's got a camera here as well. It's a dual shock setup. You've got, like I said, disc brakes on both sides, and that is a belt driven powertrain that is going to be on offer. All of this for just 1.25 lakh rupees for first 10,000 customers. After that it goes to 1.45. This makes it the most advanced and the most value for money scooter in the EV space right now as we speak. But hold on for the deliveries, which will begin only next year around this time. So there's going to be a lot of wait. There's going to be couple of changes here and there to make sure that it is road legal as well. And yeah, that's what the scooter is all about. Extremely futuristic, extremely loaded to the brim. It has a lot of things that I need to talk to about, but right now in the situation I can't talk much, and I can tell you as much as I can. We'll get to ride it and let you know more about it whenever that happens. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.